Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Being a Programmer. I am Rajashri and today we have to see how to install uh, the Turbo C++ for Windows machine, because if we want to run your application in Turbo C++ or Turbo C, you require for Windows machine the Turbo C++ compiler. So after watching this video, you are able to install the all necessary requirements for Turbo C++. So without any further ado, let's quickly get started. So first of all, open your choice browser. Once you open your choice browser, at that time you have to search Turbo C++ compiler. Download the. Before starting the video, just go back ahead. We want some history. So actually C++ is developed by Bajarnes Tostrup, and he was the PhD student. He was studied most of the algorithms and paradigms based on multiple programming languages, and that's why the interest built up in the Simula 67 language, and he also known about the popularity of C language. That's why he combined the features of Simula 67 and C language and then name another language which is C with classes. After that, he studied the Algol 68 language, and then the features of Algol 68 also added in the C with class, and then the combination is renamed with C++. Actually, all object-oriented concepts are put together here, and basic core concept of C also available here. So this is the short history about C++. But whenever we talk about the compiler, before 2006, the name of compiler is Turbo C, and it will be work very well for C as well as C++ languages. After 2006, the Turbo C is renamed with Turbo C++. Also, this compiler able to run the C program as well as C++ program. So just you simply search Turbo C compiler or Turbo C++ compiler. You got this turboc.net website. So here you can see Turbo C++ download for Windows, Mac and Linux. So this Turbo C++ is available for Windows, Mac and Linux also. So just click on this website. Once you click on this website, simply scroll down this page. Here is the some necessary information for Turbo C++, that means version, developer and all. So scroll down. Here you are able to see download Turbo C++ for Windows, Mac and Unix, and here is the download button. So just click on this button. Once you click on this button, close this ad. Then you are able to see this type of page in front of you. So the Turbo C++, MS-DOS and all. So simply scroll down. And here you are able to see the Turbo C++ for Windows 32 or 64-bit machine. And if you scroll down again, then you are able to see Windows C++, Turbo C++ for Linux machine. You scroll down, then you are able to see the Turbo C++ for Mac. As per your requirement, you download. But we require today Turbo C++ for Windows, and just simply click on this download button. Once you click on this download button, your download, it asks you where you want to download this setup. So we download this on desktops. Just click on save. Your installation should be started, and installation is successfully done. Then minimize the window, and here you are able to see Turbo C 3.2 for Windows machine from turboc.net website. So just extract this file. So click on extract here. You are able to see this folder. Just double click on this folder and open this, and here is the Turbo C++ 3.2 setup is available, Windows installer. So double click on this, and here your installation window is in front of you. So just click on next button. I already installed this, so that's why it asked to me modify. Otherwise here you have to ask the license about. So the Turbo C++, you agree that license and then click on next button. And here is the install button. So just click on install button. You are able to see installation should be successfully completed. So just click on finish button. Once you click on finish button, you are able to see the extraction should be available here. So this is the shortcut for Turbo C++. Just double click on this, and once you double click on this, you are able to see here is the Turbo C++ is available. Here is the start option, then new project, new source file, open project, open source file, open precompiled exe file and all, recent. Then here start Turbo C++, here help improve the Turbo C++, new to programming language. So all of this. So just click on start on Turbo C++. So you are able to see the window where we do our programming. So this is all about the today's video. We've seen how to install the Turbo C++ for C++ language as well as C language. In the next video, we see the program, how to run the program and how to execute C program as well as how to execute the C++ program in the same compiler, same application. So if this video is little bit helpful for you, then do like to this video, also share with your friends, and if you are new on our channel, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe. Also hit the bell icon for such a new videos. Thank you so much for watching this.